Good day, employer in Hong Kong. I am Aurelia Medina Garcia, 27 years of age, from Kalamagi, Solana, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I have a live-in partner. His name is Aldrin Marcelo. We have a son. His name is Ace Aldrix Marcelo. He is 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is college undergrad. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 5 years, from June 2015 to June 2020. I serve 5 members of the family, one couple, and 3 children. Their ages is 12, 8, and 1 year old. My main duty are taking care of the children, doing laundry, washing the dishes, cooking Filipino foods, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. Sir and ma'am, I can also sing a nursery rhyme for your children like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I can also read books like Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Pinocchio. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family better life and future. Sir and ma'am, you will find me suitable to work with your family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.